in preparing a disciple, and we honor the disciples with a participating certificate. I also request Akhila Nair, who will be performing next, to please come. Swapno Kalpa Das Gupta ji. Guru Raju. Guru Raju has come all the way from Bangalore, and he will be presenting Kuchipudi. Mrinalini Biswas. Bharatanatyam duo Arjun Rakesh and Ashwin. Mrinalini Biswas. She's come from Delhi, again going to be presenting Bharatanatyam. Ashwati Nair from Bhilai. She's going to be presenting Kuchipudi. Audience, let's be generous with our applauses. They've come from very far just to present their recitals. Kathak Trio, disciples of late Guru Asha Tai Joglekar ji, Bhakti Bhatavdekar, Parinita Shah and Vaidehi Parshuraman. Thank you. Why don't three of you stand together for the picture? Sumit will be presenting Odissi today. Sakshi Pujari. Sakshi will be presenting Bharatanatyam today. And Shreya Sabarwal. Shreya will be performing Odissi today.
15 मात्रा थी ये, जिसका कि द्रुत लय में अखिला ने विदाउट गिविंग ए सिंगल आवर्तन बीच में ये पीस किया है, विच इज ए वेरी डिफिकल्ट ताल। पंचम सवारी 15 मात्रा। प्रस्तुत है छोटी सी ठुमरी।
मग ठाड़ो कन्हैया बेटी डगर बिच कैसे चलो मग ठाड़ो कन्हैया बेटी कन्हैया बेटी कदम कैसे आगे बढ़ूं कदम कैसे आगे बढ़ूं नैनों से मारे तीर डगर बिच कैसे चलूं मग ठाड़ो कन्हैया जमुना जल भरन जात रही मैं जमुना जल भरन जात रही मैं जमुना जल भरन जात रही मैं चल जमुना भरन जात रही
यह जो दोपहर के सन्नाटे में जमुना के इस निर्जन घाट पर अपने सारे वस्त्र किनारे रख घंटों जल में निहारती हूँ। क्या तुम समझते हो मैं इस भांति अपने को देखती हूँ? ना, नहीं मेरे सावरे। जमुना के इस नीले जल में मेरा ये वेतस लता सकाम का तन बिंब और उसके चारों ओर सांवली गहराई का अथाह प्रसार जानते हो कैसा लगता है? मानो ये जमुना की सांवली गहराई नहीं, ये तुम हो जो सारे आवरण दूर कर मुझे चारों ओर से कण कण रोम रोम अपने श्यामल प्रगाढ़ अथाह आलिंगन में पोर पोर कसे। क्या तुम समझते हो घंटों जलनी में खुद को निहारती हूँ? ना, नहीं मेरे सावरे।
मैं जल जमुना भरन जात रही मैं जल जमुना भरन जात रही मैं जल जमुना मैं जमुना जल भरन जात रही ठाड़ो चमन के डगर बिच कैसे चलो मग ठाड़ो कन्हैया बेटी डगर बिच कैसे चलो मग ठाड़ो कन्हैया बेटी
तुम मेरे कौन हो कनो? ये मैं समझ क्यों नहीं पाती। जब भी तुमने मुझे बांसुरी बजा के बुलाया और मैं मोहित मृगी सी भागती चली आई और तुमने मुझे अपनी बाहों में कस लिया तो मैंने डूब कर कहा, कन्नू मेरा लक्ष्य है, कन्नू मेरा आराध्य है, कन्नू मेरा गंतव्य है।
मुरली बजावे जिया हिलरावे, मुरली बजावे जिया हिलरावे, मुरली बजावे जिया हिलरावे, डाले पगों में जंजीर, मन में हमारे यही आवे, मन में हमारे यही आवे, चरणों में रख दूँ शीश, डगर बिच कैसे चलूं मन ठाड़ो कन्हैया बेटी, डगर बिच कैसे चलूं मन ठाड़ो कन्हैया बेटी, डगर बिच कैसे चलूं मन ठाड़ो कन्हैया बेटी, कैसे चलूं मन ठाड़ो कन्हैया बेटी,
तबले पर अमित मिश्रा जी।
Sita was a warrior princess of Manipur who was raised as a son by her father. The script is by Anusuya Roy Chaudhary, Samishta Chattopadhyay. Concept is Swapnakalpa Das Gupta. Choreography and method Guru Paushali Mukherjee ji.
My dear son, you will. I will tell you a story. Not of the day when I struck a spinning bull's eye with a bow and arrow with my eyes closed. Nor of the day either, when I cut through my enemies with a sword while riding my horse. share with you the most important lesson of my life. A learning that took me a while to understand and imbibe. This story is about self-confidence, faith in my own identity, and awareness that you shouldn't ever have to change yourself for anything or anybody. The story of warrior princess Chitrangada, daughter of Chitravahan, the king of Manipur. I am the princess who was brought up like a son by her father and trained in warfare, in the art of politics and diplomacy, in order to take over the kingdom as a ruler one day. It started on the day I went to the forest with my friends for a hunt and met your father Arjun. While chasing a deer, I came across a man lying on a bed of leaves on my path. I asked him to move aside, but he paid no attention to me. Then I pricked him with the sharp end of my bow. Instantly, he leaped up, and I was rendered speechless. An amused smile flickered around the corners of his mouth, perhaps at the sight of my boyish countenance. And for the first time in my life, I felt like a woman and knew that a man stood before me. While I stood there, hoping he would finally challenge me to a duel in anger at my audacity in disturbing him, with a million thoughts running through my head, he mocked me for being a young boy and not worth challenging. And before I could gather my thoughts and respond, he had dismissed me and disappeared. I forgot everything in my desire to get Arjun. I begged Madan Dev, the god of love, for the power of the weak and the weapon of the unarmed hand. My wish was granted. I was transformed into one of the most beautiful women that ever existed. satisfied. I was not content. This body, this unfamiliar, beautiful body, was not mine. And yet, it was mine somehow. I could recognize myself no more. I was burning up with guilt because I suddenly realized what I had done. I spoke of loving Arjun and wanting to love me back, and yet I was setting out to deceive him. And when he accepted me in my beautiful form, I couldn't be happy. And yet I was angry with him as well. For someone as worldly and learned as Arjun, all it took was a lovely face for him to be mesmerized by me. Is that all I was worth? Then came the day Arjun heard about me, the real Chitrangada, the warrior princess Chitrangada, the one who had the capability to be as compassionate as a mother to her subjects, and the one who would stand as an unbending shield to defend the same subjects. And he was attracted to that Chitrangada. I was rendered speechless when he came to me and spoke about his admiration for my real self and how he wanted to devote his entire life to the noble work that she was doing. I found myself getting lost in these multiple versions that had been created for others. I sifted through all those versions and then finally found my true self. The self I took pride in. The self that I identified with. I begged Mother Devi to give that self back to me. I didn't need the trappings of a beautiful body or a lovely face. I needed to be me again. Who was I? I was Chitrangada. Ami Chitrangada. Ami Rajendra Nandini. Nohi Devi. Nohi Shamanna Nari. The warrior princess of Manipur. I am equally male and equally female. I am no goddess, nor am I someone to be brushed aside easily. Keep me by your side in the path of danger and daring. Allow me to share the great duties of your life. Then and only then will you know my true self. Accept me with both my male and female attributes, because that is who I am. Your father accepted, and I promised him that I would raise you, my dear son, to be as talented a warrior as him. Oh, my beloved son, you could grow up to be as skilled a warrior as your father, or not at all. What is more important, though, is to remember to be as you are. Never change yourself or your identity for anyone or anything. Learning to accept myself for who I am has been my biggest lesson. That self-confidence is what I have used to move ahead in life. May my biggest learning help you and guide you through your life the way it has done for me. Remember, you are Chitrangada's son, the one who is proud of both her male and female attributes.
Oh ನಂದ ಸುನಂದಾದಿ ಯೋಗಿ ಬಂದೆ ನಂದ ಸುನಂದಾದಿ ಯೋಗಿ ಬಂದೆ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸೋದರಿ ಪರಾನಂದೆ ನಂದ ಸುನಂದಾದಿ ಯೋಗಿ ಬಂದೆ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸೋದರಿ ಪರಾನಂದೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ದುರ್ಗೆ ಜಿತವೈದಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ದುರ್ಗೆ ಜಿತವೈದಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ದುರ್ಗೆ ಜಿತವೈದಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯೆ सरसमणि नूपुर संगत पादे सबलित ताकिल सांगवेदे 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 सरसमणि नूपुर संगत पादे सरसमणि सरसमणि संगत पादे सबलित ताकिल सांगवेदे 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 नर किन्नर वर सुरಬಹುದೀತೆ ನರ ಕಿನ್ನರ ವರ ಸುರಬಹುದೀತೆ ನಂದನುತೆ ನಿಖಿಲಾನಂದ ಭರಿತೆ ನರ ಕಿನ್ನರ ವರ ಸುರಬಹುದೀತೆ ನಂದನುತೆ ನಿಖಿಲಾನಂದ ಭರಿತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ದುರ್ಗೆ ಜಿತವೈದಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ದುರ್ಗೆ ಜಿತವೈದಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ದುರ್ಗೆ ಜಿತವೈದಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯೆ
Takka tikku ta ding,
सच्चिदानन्दलतिके आलोलमणिमय काटङ्कदनिके अनुदयलय सच्चिदानन्दलतिके आलोलमणिमय काटङ्कदनिके नानारूपाणि कार्यसाधनिके नानारूपाणि कार्यसाधनिके नारायणतीर्थभावितफलके नारायणतीर्थभावितफलके जय जय दुर्गे जितवैदिभाग्ये जय जय दुर्गे जितवैदिभाग्ये वियदविलासिनि विचित्रसर्गे वियदविलासिनि विचित्रसर्गे जय जय दुर्गे जितवैदिभाग्ये जय जय दुर्गे जितवैदिभाग्ये
Beautiful invitation to one of the most powerful goddesses, Durga, by Guru Raju from Bangalore. Thank you. Our next performer is, and he will also be presenting Durga and Kali.